Markets don't move in isolation. Global events like US Fed policies, oil prices, and the geopolitics directly impact your portfolio. Let's break it down. First one, US Federal Reserve. The US Federal Reserve set the interest rate for the world's largest economy. When the Fed raises the rates, global investors move money to safer US assets like bonds. This often causes the emerging markets, including India, to see FII outflows and falling stock prices. When the Fed cuts a rate, global liquidity rises and the stock market usually rally. For example, in 2022, aggressive rates hike by the Fed led in the sharp fall in tech stock worldwide. And the second one is oil prices. Oil is the lifeblood of the global economy. Rising oil prices increase the transportation and the production cost, pushing the inflation higher. Countries that import oil like India see the higher trade deficit and the currency pressure. For example, a jump from 70 to 100 per barrel can hurt a airline, logistic and the auto companies. And the third one is geopolitical events. Geopolitical events like wars, elections or the sanctions create uncertainty. Investors usually move money into safe haven assets like a gold or the US dollar. For example, during the Russia-Ukraine conflict in 2022, global markets fell sharply and the crude oil spiked. And the fourth one, how to track and react. Track a global cues using an economic calendar for a Fed meetings and the policy updates, oil price charts, geopolitical news from reliable sources. Adjust your portfolio by reducing the risk when a global uncertainty rises and focusing on a sector that benefit. Global events move a local markets. Stay informed, stay flexible, and trade with a word in mind.